lunar water means astronauts could one day have access to a vital resource that can sustain them during long-duration missions. Drink, breathe, providing essential life support. Water can be broken down into oxygen for breathing and hydrogen for fuel, and even make rocket fuel or ice hidden beneath the surface. This ice, if found in sufficient quantities, could be a game-changer for future lunar missions and beyond. It represents a readily available resource that could be used for everything from drinking water to rocket propellant. Here's how VIPER works, step by step. This rover is not just a pretty face, it's packed with state-of-the-art instruments and tech. I remember watching NASA launches as a kid, completely mesmerized by the sheer power and the incredible feat of engineering. Now, being on the ground at a launch is an entirely different experience. The rumble you feel in your chest, the blinding light, the collective gasp of the crowd. It's something you can't truly understand until you're there. What I wish I knew at NASA's launch instead of just watching is the incredible amount of planning, research, and sheer determination that goes into every single mission. And now we're on the cusp of something truly revolutionary, establishing a permanent presence on the moon. How VIPER's mission is a giant leap toward moon colonization. This isn't just about planting flags and collecting rocks. It's about building a sustainable future beyond Earth. It's about unlocking the secrets the moon holds. Secrets that could change everything we know about space exploration and our place in the universe. Let's break it down. We're talking about a robotic explorer, a cutting-edge piece of technology designed to brave the harsh lunar environment and search for one of the most precious resources in the cosmos, water. In 2025, NASA's VIPER Rover, the Volatiles Investigating Polar Exploration Rover, is scheduled to embark on its groundbreaking mission. This isn't your average joyride across the lunar surface. This is a targeted, strategic expedition with a very specific goal in mind. We'll explore the moon's south pole, a region shrouded in mystery and intrigue. This area is unlike any other on the moon, characterized by its permanently shadowed craters and extreme temperatures. It's a place where water ice could have been trapped for billions of years, a veritable time capsule of the early solar system, searching for water ice hidden beneath the surface. This ice, if found in sufficient quantities, could be a game-changer for future lunar missions and beyond. It represents a readily available resource that could be used for everything from drinking water to rocket propellant. Here's how VIPER works, step by step. This rover is not just a pretty face, it's packed with state-of-the-art instruments and technologies designed to withstand the rigors of the lunar environment and carry out its mission with precision. First, it lands near lunar craters, specifically targeting those that are permanently shadowed. These craters are like natural freezers, where the sun's rays never penetrate, allowing water ice to persist for eons, where sunlight never reaches. The extreme cold in these regions is crucial for preserving the water ice, preventing it from sublimating away into the vacuum of space. It's a challenging environment, but VIPER is built to handle it. Next, VIPER uses its drills and sensors, a suite of sophisticated tools designed to analyze the lunar soil and detect the presence of water ice. These aren't your run-of-the-mill drills. They're specifically engineered to operate in the moon's harsh environment and extract samples from varying depths. To dig into the soil, carefully collecting samples from different layers. This allows scientists to create a detailed profile of the subsurface, mapping the distribution of water ice and other valuable resources, mapping where water ice lies. The data collected by VIPER will be invaluable for planning future lunar missions and for understanding the moon's geological history. It's like creating a treasure map for future lunar explorers. Why does this matter? Why are we so focused on finding water ice on the moon? The answer is simple. It's the key to unlocking a new era of space exploration. Finding lunar water means astronauts could one day have access to a vital resource that can sustain them during long-duration missions. Drink, breathe, providing essential life support. Water can be broken down into oxygen for breathing and hydrogen for fuel, and even make rocket fuel right on the moon. Imagine the possibilities: a lunar fueling station, allowing spacecraft to refuel and travel deeper into the solar system. This would drastically reduce the cost and complexity of space missions, opening up new frontiers for exploration. VIPER's discoveries will help unlock a new era of space travel, making it more sustainable and affordable. It's about creating a stepping stone for future missions to Mars and beyond, letting us live and work beyond Earth. Establishing a permanent lunar base would allow us to conduct scientific research, develop new technologies, and learn how to live and thrive in a challenging environment. So every sample it collects, every data point it transmits back to Earth, is a piece of the puzzle. Brings us closer to building a base on the moon, a permanent outpost for scientific discovery, and a launch pad for further exploration, and maybe, one day, Mars. The knowledge and experience we gain from establishing a lunar base will be invaluable for planning and executing missions to the Red Planet. The countdown is on, the launch date is approaching, and the excitement is building. The world is watching, waiting to see what Viper will uncover. Are you ready for Viper's mission to dig up the future of space? This is more than just a mission. It's an investment in our future, a testament to human ingenuity, and a giant leap towards becoming a multi-planetary species. The discoveries that Viper makes could change the course of history, and we're all along for the ride.